So how do you make something more non-representational? Meaning, if you tend to paint florals or abstract landscapes, I mean, still kind of abstract-y, but you want to get more into the realm of non-representational, like we call it intuitive, where it's just a bunch of lines and shapes on a canvas. Well, you start pushing your current work in that direction with just swapping out some of your painting tools. So this one, for example, was a really traditional like landscape, meaning this dark color stretched across the bottom, just like it was a horizon. And all I did, to me it still looks a little landscapey, but it's definitely not like one of those horizon ones that you would expect to see. All I did was take something like this that I originally painted the line across with, and I put it down and I picked up a couple other tools and I just started moving the paint around, like scraping it up on and around the canvas with a bowl scraper actually. And then I took paper and I would just move it around, and I brought in colors that I wanted to feel like refreshed and light. And these colors may not do it for everyone, but they do for me. They made me feel refreshed and light and like relaxed in a different way. And I would make lines, and you could see I brought in, there's just gold, large stuff to make marks with. And I think I even had like big, bold Posca marker lines all over this place. But you just keep pushing it and further away from what it was and play with different tools. And you're gonna see that changes the energy completely from a straight old landscape horizon look. And there's nothing wrong with those, but this is when we want to change direction or, start feeling like we're going towards something new, but can get stuck getting there. Just swap out your tools, bring in something different, and push it a little far by moving it all over the canvas. And you will see the energy change, and you will be able to go in that whole new direction.